Pakistan is a strange country in a lot of ways. There is an elected government, but the opposition says it's a selected one. And now, even this government led by Shehbaz Sharif is not calling the shots. The reins of power continuing to be in the hands of Field Marshal Asim Munir. Now there is another unique situation. A judge is presiding over courts proceedings without any legal degree. Sounds absurd, I'm sure, but that's the reality in the country. Recently, when Justice Tariq Mehmood was sacked after serving for 5 years in the Islamabad High Court, it all started in 2024 with a right to information query cast doubts over the validity of his law degree. It emerged that he appeared for exams using 2 different enrollment numbers during his 3-year course. In September last year, a division bench of the Islamabad High Court restrained him from exercising his judicial powers after a writ petition was filed against his continuation in office. He was removed from his post by Pakistan's president in December 2025. And this came after the Islamabad High Court announced its verdict, declaring that his elevation as a judge was without lawful authority. And in its detailed 116-page judgment issued early this week itself, the High Court relied heavily on the records produced by the University of Karachi registrar, concluding basically that his academic degree was invalid. As per the verdict, he was debarred by the university for 3 years in 1989 after appearing for his LLB Part 1 exam under a fake enrollment number, reportedly. However, he flouted the ban and reappeared in the 1990 exams with a different enrollment number. Can you believe that? Most importantly, the court revealed that he never attended any law college. Never. Let's just take a look now at his background. Born in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province in 1965, he started his legal practice at the High Court level in the year 1994. And before being appointed as a judge of the Islamabad High Court in 2020, he held several important portfolios like the Deputy Attorney General and Advocate General of Islamabad. And his tenure has not been without controversy. For instance, he came into the spotlight after granting bail to former Prime Minister Imran Khan following the riots that gripped Pakistan on May 9, 2023. Not just that, he also heard the election petitions of runner-up candidates in the 2024 general election who belonged to PTI. He was also among the 6 judges who wrote a startling letter to the Chief Justice of Pakistan in March 2024, accusing the country's intelligence agencies of trying to intimidate the judges through abduction and torture of their relatives. And all of this, of course, raises some uncomfortable questions, to say the least. Why did it take over 3 decades to uncover the reality behind his degree? Did his letter exposing the role of Pakistan's military establishment prove to be the immediate trigger for the action against him? While the inside story of what really happened and about his removal may remain a mystery, this development is yet another reminder of the growing institutional decline in Pakistan.